Good evening, friends. I hope you're all doing good. Couple of days back, I had mentioned one of my mentors always says when there is a big rally like this, the way it was there today, if somebody is not able to make money, then there is something wrong with the way they are analyzing or they're trading. Uh, if you remember yesterday and a couple of days back, I was mentioning market looks bearish. This trend line is a very important support. If this breaks, we could see a big fall. And other clue which I mentioned is about this wave pattern and this dub, this uh, kind of a yum pattern or a head and shoulder pattern which is formed. Where I clearly mentioned it is there in uh, uh, there is a possibility of coming down. I would suggest to trade carefully. The other important support, trend line support, what we have currently is this uh, strong support here at 17945, which of course can be taken. Please do not think when I say support, there is somebody sitting there and going to take it up from there, and we will buy huge quantities, and it's like a wall. Yes, it is possible to. However, we need to analyze. How to analyze is something which I train in the classes. Uh, so for me, the important levels have kind of taken off because, as if you remember, see this here. I mentioned below this, I would be probably looking for a positional short, and above this level or maybe slightly higher, I would look at positional long. Now, if you ask me, yes, I did take a positional short, or we have given our. In fact, we had took when this broke and then started retracing and started moving this. If you see this quick move here, we took shots in futures, and of course we have hedged it. We have made a um, strangle. Now coming to uh, the option chain and the analysis and also the calls. Morning, I gave this call, but and then I immediately said, wait and trade Nifty is weak. We also mentioned Nifty seems to pick up. We said enjoy on target. We gave another call, ICICI, which hit the SL, of course. Then I said Nifty is dragging by 800 above 496. When we gave this level of 496, it was at 440 or 450, in fact. This easily went and hit 666. Post that, we also gave huge, we said there are huge shorts 18,300 put above 160, target 199 weekend, which I think easily hit. We said to hold, and some of the screenshots you can see within the first half an hour of trades, 2,400 profit here, another 2,425 1%. So this is the fees, and there's another person who also 287, and then we gave this 43,400 put again 275. Target 310 easily hit uh, the major breakthrough was the 18200. We were very confident it can be broken. Watch 18200 above 70, target of 90 to 120, and this target of it almost doubled actually from 70 75 levels it went to 110. And this is how we have a couple of other screenshots which got shared. Huge profits in the puts in Nifty, Bank Nifty trades. and that's how it was. For tomorrow, again, we would be watching the levels. Please do join our Telegram channel. If you're not still joined, please like, share, subscribe. If you want us to share how we analyze some simple strategies, I would love to see more subscribers, which will motivate me. If you see the Nifty, huge calls have been written: 18,200, 18,100, 17,950. There's a sorry, 18,000 and 17,900 puts have also been written, but frankly speaking, some of the put writers actually exited at 18,000 the moment the price came near that. Only the 17,900 put writers are holding strongly. Now coming to Bank Nifty, 43,500, which is I think this uh, the writer is call writer is there, and then also 43,000 call writer and 43,000 put writer is holding. So what does this suggest? Before we go ahead, let me share you some of the interesting aspects. Today's Bank Nifty volumes. Initially in the morning, there were about 11,000 buyers. Slowly it went towards around 11 o'clock. It was 1,34,000. So that is actually a huge selling. Post this is other screenshots. Uh, if you see by the end of the day, about 3,35,000 call futures was shorted. These are all algo trades. Nifty was too huge, which take to hit to the rally, or which to the downfall we can say, or this was just with this we cannot trade, but then yes we can understand what's happening in the market. Now, is this a good time to invest? I think I have shared one poll here. Some of you have all most of you are saying yes for 17,860, and some of them are saying uh, so this is a slightly, it should have been, sorry, this has to be uh, a no for, okay. So when I say no for 18,300, that means if we are say expecting 18,600, then please say yes. And if you are expecting 18,300, you may say no. Because I didn't have other options so to say put the numbers here. But then anyways, uh, give me one quick moment. I am just checking some data here on the mobile. Uh, Meanwhile, if you have any queries, please ask. We will try our best to answer. Uh, Tomorrow is the expiry day. Number two, tomorrow, sorry, tonight we would be seeing FOMC minutes of results, which could impact the dollar. I mean, the dollar index primarily, uh, and how the market behaves. For me, I think tomorrow definitely will be volatile as usual, being an expiry. Uh, so one moment, please. Can we see more down or more up? Is what I'm trying to check. Uh, with this kind of a shorts, what get to feel is yes, maybe there is a possibility that the market can or suddenly move down or open gap down, and then there is a possibility of the short covering rally coming in. If you see this pattern also was giving us impression in Bank Nifty that market can move down. Uh, This was the pre-market trade. This hit, I think all got activated, but stop loss got hit, which was about 40 points, not 24 plus 88, 24 plus 22, which is around 50 points, but then that easily got covered with the put trade. So the and in fact, if you have joined our channels, if you are subscribed for our services, you would have definitely recovered even the last 1 week's losses. Give me one moment. The other thing I want viewers to understand is so these views are just for educational purpose. Do not get biased and trade. Don't get into a conclusion that market may fall, market may move up. This is a part of the trading. Uh, right now, I think Bank Nifty is at a very important uh, support I can see. In fact, possibility yes of 42,500 is definitely there. I wouldn't rule that out. Uh, I would only short tomorrow, or maybe I would possibly only go long tomorrow. Uh, once gives when price kind of comes retraces uh, and starts moving up, I would probably uh, take a safe put writing at this level and then go aggressive buying of calls until this level. On the other side, if market opens below this level, retest and start coming down, I would easily go in for this target and add more positions below this. I would probably right call here, buy puts here for first target around 42 to 75 or to 40, 42, 380, 390 levels and 42, 87 levels. The thing is 43,000 need put writers if the market opens below this level, then put writers will have to just give way for market and start rewriting or adjust their writings. Uh, if you ask me, let us look at some of the major indexes. Metal was down hugely, I think 2.5%. Pharma also, FMCG also has been going down. I think we should be seeing possibly this level and pharma I think is forming this wave here, has been weak. Uh, test the retest. Only if this for a 20, this zone above this zone, I think they would be bullish. Below this, we still would continue to be bearish and can also see 12,196 levels. Reality got hit also very badly, 2% down. Most reality sectors stocks were down today. Uh, Also, we will probably make one video of how SIP is made and also how to systematically remove or make a monthly returns in SIP. A short video we will make with the help of my good friend. Uh, if there are no queries, I would like to stop here and let us look at the Nifty 50 stocks. I think JSW Steel, all steel, I think, as I said, was hit. Auto stocks, IT also are badly hit. ICICI Bank looked to sustain, however, with this massive move, even this was stuck. In fact, it is in a triangle. We would have to see which side it breaks out with proper breakout or a fake out. To find out how to break it's a fake out or a breakout, there are some strategies too. Very simple, easy to understand. Sun Pharma also is not in really uh, positive shape. It has not been able to move above 1024. Weakness continues. Uh, we could easily see uh, if it not sustains above this level, then I think we should see more down up to 960 levels also. Uh, just by drawing these lines doesn't mean there is a support and resistance. Somebody was telling, sir, where is the bank nifty support? No, sir, there is nothing called as support. It's just to understand the pattern of where market could be heading is what I look at. I think Sun Pharma is pretty weak. Uh, doesn't seem to sustain. It may hit this level, break this trend line, and we can also see 930 levels. So below 970, 980, if we see, uh, if I'm convinced, we can definitely go for a call writing here and then buy puts and then maybe slowly write puts, which will hedge our position for the month. And yeah, definitely we would eat. I mean, you could have profits on both the sides because once it drops, it will not immediately move up. But yes, some pharma is a stock which tends to move quickly up. However, we would by the end of the month we should be in decent profit. Axis Bank is actually trading at monthly highs. Uh, Very nice move it is going on. A great impulse move and then slow down, correction, impulse. If it sustains here, then up move. Else, we should see down move as well. Here, in fact, it did not come down, started moving up. Thank you all. Please do share uh, how to get your levels Telegram ID. What is the meeting outcome? Outcome of the meeting, ma'am? We will definitely see some. Uh, okay, let me share the Telegram ID here. Uh, there you go. You can also uh, don't worry about the meeting outcome. Just join our channel. You will know what to trade. Levels are not really important. They keep changing basis the market. if you see what is a resistance today can be a support also. So I don't believe in levels, but and yes, I do share for your uh, view, or at least to enlighten what can happen. Supporting factors, we need to look at open interest. We need to look at this data which I just shared, which is the order flow. Then the market profile also is very, very important. And what data, I mean, what FIs are holding is another important uh, aspect. So thank you all. Uh, don't worry, you should definitely be in profit. And I will do subscribe for the channel. I'll be making generally shorts, which will help you trade or this